Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're out here with the GoPro Hero 10. We're going to be doing some testing today on this camera that I just recently purchased. Been busy, haven't had a chance to get out and actually test this thing out, but yeah, we're going to be doing that today, so enjoy the footage. Okay guys, during my last session, the GoPro shut off on me. It overheated. Wow. But, I mean, it is 100+ degrees out here. It is incredibly hot and very humid. So, I'm not surprised that it was gonna shut off. All right guys, just got back from the park, took the GoPro out to test it out, make sure everything was working properly, and it actually worked very well. The only problem I ran into was it overheated on me and it shut down, gave me an error message explaining why it shut down, and that was due to the hot weather because it was about 100+ degrees out there and very humid, and I was also running it in the small rig cage. As you can see, I got the cage on here, and that was probably one of the causes. But other than that, video turned out very well. I ran it at the highest resolution, which was 5.3K at 60 FPS. And that probably caused it to overheat too, but you know, but that's expected because the weather conditions out there wasn't really good. It was very hot and humid, and it heated up pretty quick. So, but then again, I got some great video out of it, good video quality, good audio and everything. I was running the Rode Wireless Go mic on there, and that helped with the good audio and everything. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you found this video helpful in any way, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. All right, you guys have a good day. Thank you for watching. Bye.